Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your reading and what's going on and messages for you Aries fire sign. What are the messages for Judgment, Wheel of Fortune and Six of Pentacles. Page of Wands under the deck. Some communication, some messages are coming in your way. Maybe one person is good looking and one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Maybe children's also involved in this connection. Okay. So let's see your reading in recent past. Judgment, Wheel of Fortune and Six of Pentacles. So things are turning out in your favor, Aries. Yeah, you are going to make some major decision in your, or for some you already made some decisions regarding your relationship or your career and finances. Major decision because Judgment and Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning out in your favor. Six of Pentacles here, you may be concentrating on your career and finances and balancing your finances because Six of Pentacles equal give and take. Maybe someone is coming back to you, offer equal give and take in this relationship. So what I'm seeing here, two persons coming towards you. One could be past person and one could be new person, clearly, because Knight of Swords with Knight of Wands. Maybe very few, there will be one person, but there is a lot of passion involved in this person is very passionate about you and this person is very rushing towards you. See, and Ten of Swords, but you ending something with someone, what I'm getting here, Ten of Swords energy, because future energies is Eight of Cups. You walked away. Yeah, you're walking away, which doesn't serve you anymore. Okay, and but you stand by your power, Queen of Wands. Now you are very grounded, very powerful. You overcome whatever you're going through and now you become like this, Aries. And but I think the Knight of Wands may be transforming into King of Pentacles, but one person want to offer stability, commitment, marriage. This person is very genuine. So if you know, if there are two persons in your life right now, you have to choose one, but one person is very in and out of your life and one person is very stable and they want to offer commitment. So I take what resonate and leave the rest because this is general. But you walked away from this connection, but someone is coming back to you to offer stability. This could be new person or could be past person. It depends on your situation. Okay, but I am seeing stability is coming in. But you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded, Aries. And fire energy, fire sign. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Communication also coming because Ace of Swords, already Page of Wands we saw. Definitely there is some communication coming in your way. So Aries, first we will see your person current feelings. Then we will see actions. Five of Pentacles, for some there is separation. Yeah, your person is suffering in silence because you walked away from this connection. Three of Wands, yeah, they're waiting for you. Maybe waiting game is going between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries and states. King of Swords with the Empress. Yeah, they see you like an Empress because you stand by your power. You are in this energy right now. In future, if not right now, in near future, you will be like this. Yeah. You no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Yeah, King of Swords with Empress, but some communication. And your person want to speak truth and they want to express their feelings this time with you, honesty. I think they want to be honest with you. King of Swords. They see you as Empress, but waiting game is going. Definitely they are feeling sad for the separation. Five of Pentacles is here. So let's see the near future actions towards you. I'm thinking that they're going to be communicate with you in near future because King of Swords is here. See, Three of Cups, Ten of Swords, the Moon. For some it could be third party situation also, but under the deck, Knight of Cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you, they have love for you, they want rebirth in this connection because Ten of Swords with Three of Cups. They want rebirth, they want reconciliation. For some it could be third party situation also. There are a lot of secrets involved in this connection. Maybe one person hiding something from the other person. The Moon is here. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. So they want rebirth in this connection, but I'm not seeing any action cards here right now because they are feeling like, because they are suffering in silence, they are in this energy right now. Yeah, they want reconciliation, but right now they are not taking any action, just wanting they want reconciliation but not taking any action because waiting. I think they are waiting for you to take action towards them, what I'm getting here. But Knight of Cups is here. If you are not taking any action, definitely they will take, but it will slow, very slow energy because Knight of Cups is also very slow moving energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. Yeah, they're coming back, but slow, very slow. And Knight of Wands. See, under the deck, the Devil, there is obsession. Your person is obsessed with you. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Definitely there is obsession and they're obsessively thinking about you. Yeah, they're willing to come back. Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they're changing for you. Knight of Pentacles is very sincere offer. Someone is coming towards you and this person may be sincere also because Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. There is a lot of passion involved. For some it could be two persons already seen, but I am getting two persons energy because this here also two persons with Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. Yeah, one is past, one is new person for some. So you have to make some decision. Definitely I am seeing two persons. Yeah, you are the decision maker. King of Swords. Yeah, you have to make decision, clarity. Ace of Swords, communication, and the Emperor. I think you are very committed and you stand by your power right now. You are very grounded. Aries. Yeah, some communication is coming in your way. I think you have to choose between two persons, what I'm getting here. Yeah, Aries. Communication coming. Past person is coming. New person is coming. It's up to you. Lot of offers coming towards you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. But you achieved balance. You stand by your power. Nine of Wands. Yeah, right now you are guarded up. Right? Three of Cups, reconciliation. Ace of Wands, new beginnings. Eight of Wands, communication. So if you want reconciliation with your person, definitely it is coming because past person is also coming towards you. There are some changes. Positive shifts are coming in your way because Wheel of Fortune is there. Brand new beginnings and reconciliations and Nine of Wands. But you are taking your time, you are taking your decision without any rush, what I'm getting here. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. I think you are not in rush to make decision. King of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer stability because King of Pentacles here. See, this is your person you are thinking about. And Five of Cups, definitely they are missing you so much. They are feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, Princess of Wands, communication. Yeah, I think lots of communication coming. Maybe communication plays crucial role this time because Ace of Swords, for some there will be new beginnings between you and your person. Yeah, Page of Wands, message. They are missing you so much. Five of Cups, they are suffering in silence, but they really want to offer stability. It's up to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Aries. for you. Confidence is your key to success. Yeah. So if you are a person that not feeling confident when you are doing your work, when you are doing your official work, whatever, please be confident, because confidence is your key to success in a working area especially. So if you are not expressing your feelings to your person because you have some shy, please don't do that, because confidence, you have to express your feelings straightforwardly. And if you are doing any work in your career, definitely do your work with confidence. So this is the message from universe. Confidence is the key for your success. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.